Hello, welcome back to my recorded classes. This video we are discussing a topic from the course Mathematics for Computing. Uh, Before starting the class, all of you please subscribe my channel for getting more videos, more recorded classes. So let us discuss a topic from module 1 vectors, section number 1.2 length and dot product. So last recorded class we are added the topic vectors and linear combinations 1.1 sections. So that section we are discussed how to add two vector. If you have vector u and vector v, how can we add the vector? We studied the. And how can we subtract the vector u minus vector v, and how can we multiply a scalar with a vector to multiply vector u. Okay, and we studied the linear combination also. Now this module 1.2 module we are studying dot product. That means if you are getting one vector u and another vector v, how can we multiply dot product? Okay, a scalar and a vector multiply we studied in 1.1 section, but here two vectors how we can multiply u dot v. How can we calculate u dot? Multiply means the dot product. Okay, so let's start the section 1.2 section length and dot product. Length already we discussed in 1.1 section, magnitude of a vector, correct? Root of x square plus y square. In space means root of x square plus y square plus z square, correct? Now here we are coming dot product. Okay, so dot product or scalar product or inner product, three names we can use: scalar product, dot product or inner product of two vectors. So how we are defining? Suppose we have vector u and vector v, having two vectors. Okay, then the scalar product or dot product of u and v, it is denoting u dot v, like this, u dot v. Okay, you can see the picture on this side. This is the u vector, one v vector is there. Theta means the angle between these two vector. What is the angle? Okay, between these two vector, that is theta. Now how u dot v we are defining? U dot v equals absolute value of u multiply absolute value of v multiply cos theta. Theta is the angle between these two vector. So we can say like, what is the dot product? Vector u dot vector v equal, okay, vector u dot vector v equals absolute value of vector u. We know how to calculate this one, root of x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, multiply absolute value of vector v. Okay, v vector absolute value, that means the length of the vector v, multiply cosine of angle between the vector u and v. Okay, angle between the vector u and v. See, you can see this picture, like we have one vector u here and we have another vector, that is vector v, and what is the angle between these two vector? Theta, that is multiply cos theta. So this is the u dot v vector. Now magnitude of u means it is always you are getting a number, scalar quantity, correct? Magnitude of v means also length, it is a scalar quantity, number we are getting. Cos theta also cos 40, cos 60, like that when you are entering calculator, that also a scalar quantity, a number. So totally when we are calculating u dot v, always you are getting a scalar quantity as the answer, one number as the answer. So this product we are giving another name also. U dot v means dot product of two vectors. Another name is, it is scalar product. That is why we are using the word scalar product or dot product, or we can call inner product. So dot product of two vectors is always we are getting a scalar quantity. Keep in your mind that one, it is scalar product. Now another important point we need to be careful. For example, we have one vector u, and we have another vector, we have vector v here, correct? Now for example, if the angle between two vectors are 90 degree, 90 degree means you know it is perpendicular or orthogonal. We are telling perpendicular vectors or orthogonal vectors. Orthogonal vectors. Okay, so 90-degree angle between that two vectors is 90 degrees. So that time what will be the u dot v value? U dot v value equal absolute to u, whatever the number, absolute to u, absolute to v multiply cos of angle between these two vectors is 90 degree, cos 90 degree. What is cos 90 degree actually? You can check by calculator, it is 0. So 0 multiply absolute to u multiply absolute to v means totally how much we are getting? Equal to 0. U dot v equal to 0. So what we can say, if two vectors are perpendicular or orthogonal, the dot product u dot v always we are getting value equal to 0. This is the next point you need to be careful. Okay, the non-zero vectors u and v are said to be orthogonal or perpendicular if u dot v equal to 0. Dot product should be equal to 0. Okay, so I hope you understood this meaning. U dot v means absolute to u, absolute to v cosine theta. And what is the meaning? Dot product is scalar quantity always. And orthogonal means u dot v equal to 0. Now, we will come to the next point. Okay, how can we calculate the dot product of two vectors in the plane and dot product of two vectors in the space? Okay, for example, u is a vector x1 y1, v is a vector x2 y2. Then u dot v means dot product of these two vector means x1 multiply x2, x numbers multiply, plus y numbers multiply, y1 multiply y2. This number we are calling the dot product. Okay, if you are getting the vectors point like this point ordered pair, you can do like this u dot v. So u dot v equal to x1 multiply x2 plus y1 multiply y2. Now magnitude, no need to think here because already we have studied first section. Magnitude of a vector means root of x square plus y square. Now if we are going to the space, that means when we are taking one vector vector u equal to x1 y1 z1, vector v equal to x2 y2 z2 from the space, then u dot v means one more component is extra here, z1, correct? So how we are writing? x1 multiply x2 plus y1 multiply y2 plus z1 multiply z2. One more component extra will come when we are comparing this and this, plane and space. Okay, and magnitude of u root of x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, I hope you understood. So dot product of two vectors already we told here, absolute to u, absolute to v, cosine theta. Other ways we can use this rule, x1 multiply x2 plus y1 multiply y2 plus z1 multiply z2. Okay, if the coordinates are given, x value, y values are given means vector form ordered pair given means we can use this rule. Okay, now we need to know about the angle between two vectors. How we are finding the angle between two vectors? Already we studied u dot v equals absolute to u multiply absolute to v multiply cosine theta, correct? Now from this, how can we find the theta value, angle between two vectors? Okay, so what I am doing is this rule, both side we can divide by absolute to u multiply absolute to v. This is just for your understanding. Both side absolute to u multiply absolute to v. Okay, so this one we can cancel here. So what is balance? Will get cosine theta equals u dot v divided by absolute to u multiply absolute to v, correct? Now from this theta, how can we write theta equal, because we need to find the angle theta, cosine take to the next shift to cosine, correct? Cosine. So cosine inverse in calculator, shift to cosine, cosine inverse u dot v divided by absolute u multiply absolute vector v. Okay, and this is the rule for finding the angle between two vectors. Theta equal to cosine inverse u dot v divided by absolute u multiply absolute v. Okay, so this is the third point we wrote here. Fourth point, that is the angle between two vectors is theta equal to cosine inverse u dot v divided by absolute u multiply absolute v. I hope you understood these points. Okay, short points. I am just given in brief here. Now we will go to the questions. Okay. Before that, before going to question, you can see the properties of the dot product. Just for reading properties, what are the properties? First property, u dot v and v dot u always same. Calling it is commutativity. Commute means u dot v and v dot u, whenever you are finding, you will get same number. Now u dot v plus w means this u distribute here, you distribute here. U dot v plus u dot w. This is we are calling distributive. Okay. Now k u dot v means k we are writing out. Just this give dot product only for vectors u dot v. Okay. And next one, u dot u means one vector with same vector. Dot product means same as absolute u power 2, or absolute u means root of u dot u. Okay. Now u dot u greater than or equal to 0 and u dot u equal to 0 if and only if u equal to 0, vector u equal to 0. This is just for your reading, this properties of dot product. Okay. Now we will go to the examples. First example. Okay. So find the dot product. Find the dot product or scalar product of the vectors, vector u equal to 2, 5, vector v equal to 4, 3. We need to find the dot product. Okay. That means we need to calculate what is u dot v, vector u dot v. What is the rule actually? U dot v, I told x1 multiply x2 plus y1 multiply y2. Correct? Now use what is x1? x1 y1 first number, second vector x2 y2. Okay. So just apply here x1 multiply x2. What is x1? 2 multiply x2 4 plus y1 multiply y2 5 multiply 3. So you can use your calculator. 2 multiply 4 is 8, 3 multiply 5 is 15, 15 plus 8 means 23. So see, you can get it a scalar quantity. That is why we are calling scalar product. Okay, 23 single number. Now example 2, we will do one question from this page now. Find the dot product of the vectors u and v. Correct? U dot v, dot product we need to calculate. So vector u dot vector v equals, in space how we are writing the rule? x1 multiply x2 plus y1 multiply y2 plus one more component will come, z1 multiply z2. So what is x1 here? First number x1, y1 z1, x2 y2 z2. Correct? So x1 y1 means 1 multiply 0 plus y1 y2 3 multiply minus 1 plus z1 z2 4 multiply 2. Correct? You can check 1 multiply 0 means 0, 3 multiply minus 1 minus 3, 4 multiply 2 that is 8. So 8 minus 3 equal to 5, we are getting a scalar number dot product value. Okay. So 5. Hope you understood this example. Okay. Now example 3. You can see now example 3. Find the angle between the vectors u and v with u dot v equal to root 3. What is the question? We need to find the angle between two vectors. Angle between. What is the angle between two vectors rule? Theta equal to cosine inverse u dot v divided by absolute u multiply absolute v. Correct? This is the angle between two vector. Now out of this, the values u dot v is given in the question, root 3, absolute u 2, absolute v 1. Correct? So just apply these values here. So cosine inverse u dot v root 3 is the value, divide absolute u 2 multiply absolute V 1, correct? You can use your calculator, check what answer you are getting. Okay, just put your calculator in radian mode. Okay, check the calculator in radian mode. Degree mode also possible, no issue. So when we are putting radian mode, you know how to change into radian mode. Just shift button in calculator, mode button, after that select radian. Okay, shift mode 4, that means radian mode. Okay, now I am doing here radian mode. Degree mode also you can do. So when we are calculating this one, okay, shift cosine, that is cosine inverse. After that root 3 divided by 2 we will get it. So what answer it is showing? Pi by 6, correct? Pi divided by 6. Okay, hope you understood. Pi by 6. Or if you are doing in degree mode, you will get 30 degree. 30 degree if you are doing in degree mode. Okay, 30 degree, both are same. Pi by 6, that is the angle between these two vectors. Hope you understood. Now example 4, prove that the vectors are orthogonal. Orthogonal or perpendicular. What is the meaning orthogonal? You know that one. Orthogonal means what answer we will get? U dot V, vector U dot vector V, you will get 0, correct? This is the meaning. So we will just check the dot product of these two vectors. If you are getting answer 0, that two vectors are orthogonal or perpendicular. So I am calculating what is U dot V, vector U dot V equal. What is the rule? X1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus z1 multiply z2. So what is x1 here? 5. Multiply what is x2? 3. Plus y1 y2, 4 multiply minus 4. Plus z1 z2, 1 multiply 1. So 5 multiply 3, 15. Plus 4 multiply 4 minus 4, 16. Minus 16 plus 1 multiply 1, 1. We are getting 15 minus 16 plus 1, that is answer 0. Answer 0 means dot product 0 means what we can say? Vector U and vector V are perpendicular, correct? Are orthogonal or perpendicular. So I hope you understood. Okay, how to check the two vectors are perpendicular or orthogonal. Okay, well now we will go to the exercise. Exercise 1.2. We will practice the questions now. First question, find the dot product of the vectors U and V and find absolute U and absolute V. Okay, already we studied how to find absolute U and absolute V. Okay, so first find the dot product. Vector U dot vector V. Here the point are in the plane, 2 number. So x1 x2 plus y1 y2. What is x1? 4, first number. Multiply what is x2? 1 plus what is y1? 8 multiply 5. Okay, so 4 plus, you can use the calculator, 4 plus 40, that means 44. Now here same question we need to do what is absolute U, magnitude of the vector U and magnitude of the vector V. What is the rule for finding magnitude? Root of x square plus y square. So that means root of magnitude U vector x number is 4 power 2 plus y number is 8 power 2, correct? So we can check the calculator. 4 power 2 is 16 plus 64, correct? We will get 4 root 5, 4 root 5, or approximately we can write 8.9. Okay, now we will calculate what is absolute V. Absolute of vector V equals root of V vector x number is 1 power 2 plus y number is 5 power 2. So root of 25 plus 1, root 26. Clear? Okay, now we will go to the second one. Vector U equal to 2, 3. Vector V equal to 7, 0. What is the dot product first? So vector U dot V equals x1 x2 plus y1 y2. So x1 means 2 multiply 7 x numbers plus 3 multiply 0. So we will get 14. Just to practice only. Now absolute of u we can calculate, absolute of v we can calculate. What is absolute u? Root of u vector x number 2 power 2 y number 3 power 2. Correct? So we will get root of 9 plus 4, that means root 13. Hope you understood. And absolute of vector v equals root of v vector 7, 7 power 2 plus 0 power 2. Correct? So that means root of 7 power 2 means root of 49, that means 7. Clear how to find the dot product, I hope. Now we will go to the space two vectors, finding dot product. First we have u dot v here. U dot v equal x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus z1 z2. So x numbers 2 multiply 8 plus y numbers minus 5 multiply 2 plus z number 6 multiply minus 3. Okay, so 2 multiply 8, it is 16, minus 2 multiply 5, minus 5 multiply 2 minus 10, plus 6 multiply minus 3 minus 18. So 16 minus 10 minus 18. So we will get minus 12. Hope it is clear to you. Now here we can find what is absolute u vector. The rule is root of x power 2 plus y power 2 plus z power 2. U vector. Okay, so root of what is x? 2. U vector x number 2 plus y minus 5 power 2 plus z 6 power 2. Correct? So root of 2 power 2 means 4 plus minus 5 power 2 means 25 plus 6 power 2 means 36. So you will get root 65. Now absolute of vector v equals root of v vector x number 8 power 2 plus 2 power 2 plus minus 3 power 2. You can check it, that is root of 8 power 2, that is 64 plus 2 power 2 4 plus 3 power 2 means 9, root 77. I hope you understood. Now we will come to the next one, this one. So we can do vector u dot v equal, same idea before question, x1 multiply x2 plus y1 multiply y2 plus z1 multiply z2. So x1 is 1 multiply x2 is 3 plus minus 3 multiply 4 plus 4 multiply 7. So we will get 3 minus 12 plus 4 multiply 7, that is 28. So we can get 3 minus 12 plus 28, correct? So 19. Now same way we can do what is absolute u vector, root of 1 power 2 plus minus 3 power 2 plus 4 power 2. So you will get root of 1 power 2 means 1 plus 3 power 2 is 9, 4 power 2 is 16. So root 26. Now absolute of v equals root of v vector. So 3 power 2 plus 4 power 2 plus 7 power 2. Check by calculator. So root of 3 power 2 means 9, 4 power 2 means 16, 7 power 2 means 49. So root 74. Hope all of you are getting same. Okay, now we will go to the next question. Question number 2. Find the angle between the vectors u and v. Angle between the vector. What is the angle between the vector? Theta equal cosine inverse of, okay, we studied vector u dot v divided by absolute u multiply absolute v, correct? So what we need to do? We need to calculate what is absolute u and absolute v and u dot v separately. So I am doing here, first we are doing what is u dot v, vector u dot vector v equal to, correct? We know the rule x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus z1 z2. So what is x1 x2? 1 multiply 2 plus 1 multiply 3 plus minus 1 multiply 4. So 2 plus 3 minus 4 equals 2 plus 3 5 minus 4 means 1. Now absolute u, absolute vector u means root of x power 2 plus y power 2 plus z power 2. So root of x means 1 power 2 1 power 2 plus minus 1 power 2. So we will get root 3. Now absolute v vector, root of, okay, 2 power 2 plus 3 power 2 plus 4 power 2. Yes, equal, we can check by calculator, root of 2 power 2 is 4 plus 3 power 2 is 9 plus 4 power 2 is 16. So root 29. So what will be the angle between the two vector? Theta equal cosine inverse, you know, shift cosine, okay, shift cosine, that is the cosine inverse. Cosine inverse of u dot v 1, okay, divided by absolute u root 3, correct, multiply absolute v, that means root 29, okay, root 29, 1 over root 3 multiply root 29. So you can check by calculator, okay. If you are doing radian measurement, you will get 1.46 approximately, okay, theta equal to 1.46 radian, okay. You can do degree measurement also, theta equal to 1.46. Hope you got the idea, angle between two vector. Now we will go to the next one. Question number 3. Find the angle between, find the value of k such that the vectors u and v are perpendicular, okay, perpendicular vector. What is the value of k? So we can start from here, perpendicular. Perpendicular means, what is the meaning? Perpendicular vector or orthogonal vector, u dot v always it should be equal to 0, correct? Now what is u dot v actually? x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus z1 z2, correct, equal to 0. U dot v equal to 0, correct? Now what is x1? 2 multiply, what is x2? 1 plus y1 y2, y1 means k multiply y2 means minus 2 plus z1 z2, 1 multiply 1 equals 0, correct? Because this vector, first vector x1 y1 z1, second vector x2 y2 z2. Now you can simplify that one. 2 multiply 1, that is 2, and k multiply minus 2 minus 2k plus 1 multiply 1 1 equal to 0. Now simplify and find the k number, okay. Minus 2k we can take to the next side, it become 2k equals 2 plus 1, that is 3. So both side we can divide by 2 So you will get what is the k number. K equals 3 over 2. 3 over 2 means 1.5. So this is the idea. By using the condition perpendicular or orthogonal, we can find the k number. So this section what we are studied is how to find the dot product of two vectors and how to find the angle between two vectors. We are studied how to find the angle between two vectors. So these are the main idea here we discussed. I hope you understood the topic. So thank you for watching this class. Please subscribe my channel for getting more recorded classes in future. Thank you very much.